Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite collaborators to a task on Asana. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and invite someone to kind of help manage or perform this task on Asana. How do you actually go ahead and invite collaborators to a task on Asana? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Asana. Next, you're going to click on the task, and then towards the bottom, you're going to see where it says collaborators. So if you click on the plus icon, this is where you could actually go ahead and invite collaborators to this task on Asana. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and invite collaborators to a task on Asana. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.